Hi, welcome to Bluefx.net. My name is Marcelo Cabral. Thank you for buying this last template called Business Promo, and I'm here to show you how you can customize this project in the most fast, easy, and efficient way. So let's move on. In the delivery folder that you receive, you will find these 4 folders. Each one of them corresponds a different color setup. For this tutorial, I will use this one. So let's open the folder. And here's your project. Just open it by double click. Okay, here we are. Let me show you what you will find in the project manager. This is the 00 main composition which we are seeing in the timeline. The 00 you change folder contains all the customizable composition related with text, video and other stuff. The other column folder contains all the composition used to build this project and they are not customizable. In the other resolution folder you will find the same 00 main composition but in all these different resolutions. Now I will show you the timeline. Here you have 2 helpers layers, the mark reference layer and the color control layer. I will explain you indeed this last one just a little bit forward. The reference layer has all these marks which will help you to find easily all the customizable composition in the timeline. So this way you can locate the text 01, the text 02, the Your Logo composition and so on. Now let's make some changes here. I will modify this text 01. So just move the indicator over the text 01 mark. To modify this text, you only need to locate in the 00 you change folder the text 01 composition and open it by double click. Once you get into the composition, just select the text and retype a new one. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Great. The process to change the rest of the text of this project is quite the same. Just use the reference mark and locate the right composition in the 00 you change folder. Now I will add our logo to this project. So move the indicator over the Your Logo mark and select the Your Logo input from the 00 you change folder. Once you get into the composition, drag here your logo file. I have one right here. I will drag it here and I will make some little adjustments. Okay, done. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Great. Now I will move the indicator over this speech balloon 01 mark because this is another text that you probably will modify. To modify all this text, just open the speech balloon 01 composition from the 00 you change folder. Once you get into the composition, just select the text layer that you want to change by double click and retype a new text inside. By the way, the process to change all the text of the speech balloon 02 is quite the same. Let's go back to the main composition. Now I will show you how to add a video to this project. First of all, I will move the indicator over this mark Media 01. And I will locate from the new change folder the Video 01 composition. Just open it by double click. Once you get into the composition, add your video to the timeline. I have a video right here. And I will drag it to the composition. As you see, you have a reference layer with the in and out marks. These marks will help you to fit the part of the video that you want to show and keep it visible in the main composition. So I will adjust this video footage between these marks. Okay, done. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Great. To modify the text of this Media 01 composition, just locate in the 00 you change folder the text Media 01 composition. Open it by double click and retype a new text inside. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Great. The last composition that we need to talk about is this one called Hands. As you see, we have a main hand here, but what if we want a female hand in the scene? We keep that in mind for you. Let's open the hand's composition from the CUCU Change folder. Once you get into the composition, you will see that all the male hands are in blue and the female hands are in pink. To change the male hands to a female hands, first select one of the male hands layer and press over this little blue square here and select Level Group. This way you will select all the male hands at the same time and hide them all right here. To make visible all the female hands, just repeat the process using this pink square and select Level Group as well. And make them all visible. Done. Now it's time to talk about colors. As you know, this template comes with 4 different color setups project, but you can set up all the colors of this project by your own, using this color control layer. Let me show you. These are all the color effects by which you can control every color of this project. Let's make some changes here. I will select the effects and I will open them all right here. Let's start with the background color. Because this color is a little bit dark, I will need to increase the background center light opacity. Now let's change the color of the containers using these 2 effects. With this one I will modify the color of the building planet. And the people planet with this one. The transitions ribbon with these 2 effects. And the containers text. With this one I will change the color of the simple text. The speech balloon 01. And the speech balloon 01 text. The speech balloon 02. And the speech balloon 01 text as well. And finally the lens colors. Okay, done. Now you already know all that you need to customize this project by your own. If you have any question related with this project, please feel free to contact our support team at bluefx.net. My name is Marcelo Cabral and I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Bye!